It's so simple to use the Ninja CREAMi. Once your pint is assembled and ready to go, all you gotta do is plug in your unit. Press and hold the latch on the top of the lid, and then insert the paddle into the bottom of the lid. Release the latch to secure the paddle. The paddle will feel loose when installed. Then place your pint into the outer bowl. Position the tab of the lid just slightly to the right of the outer bowl handle so that the arrows on the lid and handle align. Rotate the lid clockwise to lock. Place the outer bowl on the motor base with the handle in the middle of the unit. Twist the handle to the right to raise the platform and lock the bowl in place. Select the program needed for the recipe. Once complete, the unit will stop running. Detach the outer bowl and pint from the base of the unit and you're ready to scoop and serve. This is seriously so creamy and decadent. I'm gonna add some sprinkles as a topping for a little extra sweetness that my kids will love. I love this machine. I love that I can create unique customizable recipes, make them flexible, make them my own, and please my kids, making them delicious ice cream sorbets and treats.